Hey guys, welcome back, and today I do have this 2013 Kia Optima, and the concern is, so when you lock the car, is it locked? Yep. Then when you press the panic button, it will flash, but the alarm does not go off. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, so I believe there's two horns here. There's one over here and one on the passenger side. And if I'm not mistaken, this one is a high pitch and this one is a low pitch. Let's go ahead and verify if these two horns work. Yeah. They're solid. So this is your burglar horn right here. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna go disconnect this guy. I'm gonna use my test light to check a power and a ground. Alright, so I just want to make sure my test light works. Just gonna go ahead and hook it up right here. Now if we have a known good power and ground, this test light will blink. Alright guys, so I'm gonna press the panic button. Alright, now the lights are blinking, but my test lights don't. Okay, I'm gonna start with basic. I'm not gonna pull the schematic yet. Okay, so there is horn fuse right here, which is 15 amps. It's right there. And what else? Oh, this guy right here, the burglar alarm horn. It's it's missing. We are missing a relay here, guys. That can be easy. Well, let's go ahead and find a relay then. Alright, we got a collection of harness here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one up. There we go. And this relay goes this way. Why? Got a missing relay. Just wondering why this guy is missing. So hopefully that's all our problem here. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and press this panic button. Works. And look at my test light, guys. It's on and off, on and off. We're gonna go ahead and shut this off. There we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. This is super quick one. There we go. Alright. Awesome. That's super easy, huh? Hopefully all the diagnoses are like this, right? Well, I'm not gonna charge a customer for a relay because I just have a lot of them. We're just gonna go charge them a diagnosis. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.